John is the head chef of a restaurant. His staff love their job, with one large exception. Much of the equipment like grills, filters, gas cookers and more are a pain to clean. That means hours of scrubbing after service, often using harsh chemicals and plenty of water. And even after all that work, there still remain deposits of fat, grease, oil and caked-on black carbon, as well as blocked gas holes in their gas burners. So regardless of the time and effort spent scrubbing, John's kitchen is never quite as clean as it could be, not to mention the wear and tear scrubbing puts on his equipment. Nigel runs the kitchen at a large hotel. Yet even with more equipment to clean than John, Nigel's staff spend far less time and effort cleaning and has a much cleaner kitchen. That's because Nigel's kitchen uses Spectank. Spectank consists of a specialized stainless steel tank filled with water and a proprietary cleaning powder, CARBSOLVE, a food-safe, biodegradable chemical designed to clean all Nigel's kitchen equipment for a full month. His staff simply drops used, dirty equipment in the Spectank at night, then pull it out and quickly rinse it off in the morning. Nigel's kitchen is cleaner than John's, his equipment works better and lasts longer. By reducing the amount of water, energy, chemicals, time and labor used to clean, he cuts his cleaning costs and saves hundreds of dollars every month. Spectank cleans far better than manual scrubbing, keeps the gas holes in burners clear, and requires much less effort. That's why Spectank is used in more than 30,000 kitchens around the world. Spectank. Cleaner kitchen, less time, lower costs. Contact us today to arrange a free trial to see the results for yourself.